Mistletowns.
Oh, what a merry Christmas day. Hear the joyous music play. Bells are ringing, choirs singing. Oh, what a merry Christmas day. Sharing the season of good cheer with the ones we hold so dear. Friendly faces, warm embraces. Oh, what a merry Christmas day. Christmas Eve is coming, what you doing tonight? Hope you like it even if it's merry and bright. A Coca-Cola and a little table for two. Where a holiday is simply waiting for you. There's a chance you'll get by with the blue attitude, 'cause Santa's here to get you in the Christmas mood. Snowflakes covered country lanes, Jack Frost painted window panes, twinkling stars on Christmas trees. Oh, what happy memories gather round the fireplace. Families filled with love and grace. From the peaceful embers glow, blessed Yuletide spirits roll. Joy to the children far and near. What a wondrous time of year. Isn't it just grand to say, Merry, Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry Christmas. Oh, what a Merry Christmas day. Because you're here and bringing cheer, we're in the mood now.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Carol LaBelle.
I'm Eva Green.
And I'm Peggy.
And we're the Sawmill Mistletowns.
We were on our way to the beautiful Radio City Music Hall in New York to perform our hit holiday show.
And then we realized we left our dear third member, Holly, back in Nebraska.
Peggy here is our biggest fan, and she follows us all across the country. I know all their songs.
So I asked her to join us spread holiday cheer here at the beautiful Sawmill Creek Resort.
But only until Holly has a chance to catch up. What's that clippity-clop up on the roof? The reindeer are jingling, so get your bells a-tingling, 'cause Santa's come for mingling with good boys and girls. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you just the same. Bells are ringing, children singing, oh, what a beautiful sight. So fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer are pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So fill your hearts and say a prayer. Clippity-clop-bop, clippity-clop-bop, 'cause Santa's bringing lots of toys our way. Yay! Now what will Santa Claus say when he finds everybody swinging? What will Santa Claus say when he hears us sing, sing, singing? Down the chimney he will come with his great big smile, and he'll find that even the kitties are swinging in the latest style. Oh, 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 what is Santa bringing? Ow, ow, ow. I wonder whether he'll be swinging everywhere in the land. All the people will be singing la-di-da-di-da, dee-da-dee-hey. Now what is Santa Claus gonna say when he finds everybody swinging? Come on, girls. Here we go. Oh, watch me. There. Twist it out. I brought this one from home.
holidays.
A glowing warm
The
fireplace.
soft falling snow.
And my good friends Brandy and Sherry.
Oh, that's weird because I never met them. And I know everything about you.
They're full of holiday spirits.
Oh, speaking of holiday spirits, why don't we keep this singing sleigh ride a moving and kick this next song up a notch? Jing-a-ling, 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 what fun to hear the sleigh bells jingle. Jing-a-ling, 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 they set your heart a tingle. Jing-a-ling, 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 I love to hear our laughter mingle. Ha-ha! Whoa-ho! Gliding through the snow. Jing-a-ling, 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 the bells about the snowflakes dancing. Jing-a-ling, 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 old dogs even prancing. Jing-a-ling, 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 the night is made for sweet romancing. Ha-ha! Whoa-ho! Through the snow we go. Oh, oh, oh! Through the winter fairyland we go a-gliding, in a cotton candy land of frozen charms. And the way the sleigh is slipping and is sliding brings you sliding even closer in my arms. Can't you hear the sleigh bells asking why we're single as we fly across the snowy hills and downs? And we're happy 'cause the sleigh bells seem to jingle in a winter fairyland like wedding bells. Jing-a-ling, 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 what fun to hear the sleigh bells jingle. Jing-a-ling, 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 they set your heart a tingle. Jing-a-ling, 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 I love to hear our laughter mingle. Ha-ha! Ho-ho! Gliding through the snow. Jing-a-ling, 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 the bells have got the snowflakes dancing. Jing-a-ling, 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 old dogs even prancing. Jing-a-ling, 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 the nights make for sweet romancing. Ha! Oh! Ha! Oh! Through the snowy meadow. Jing-a-ling, jing-a-ling. Happy holiday, happy holiday. While the merry bells keep ringing, may your every wish come true. Happy holiday, happy holiday. May the calendar keep bringing happy holidays to you. If you're burdened down with trouble, if your nerves are weary, pack your bones down the road and come the holiday in. If you're laid up with a breakdown, the road will make your vitamins. Don't get worse, grab your thirst and come the holiday in. I like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. I like to buy the world a coat and keep it company. It's the real happy holiday. What else? Happy holiday. While the merry bells keep ringing, may your every wish come true. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. May the calendar keep bringing happy holidays to you. Grab yourself a bubbly Coca-Cola tonight.
So Eva, what do you want Santa Claus to bring you for Christmas?
Oh, I don't want much. Being here with friends and family is greater than any gift that comes in a box. What about you, Carol?
An attractive man with a good credit score. And you, Pam?
Maggie. Oh, I don't want much. Being here with friends and family is better than any gift that comes in a box. But if I did have to pick something, I think it would be...
Let me guess, an attractive man with a good credit score.
Looks like we're stuck between Jingle Bell Rock and a hard place. Hey, Mistletowns, why don't we slow things down a bit? Merry almost Christmas, happy that you're here. Merry almost Christmas, happy almost New Year. Christmas feels like Christmas now that you are here.
By the fire, see a clock slit. Now it's almost Christmas Day. Merry almost Christmas. Happy that you're here. Merry almost Christmas. Happy almost New Year. Christmas feels like Christmas now that you are here. Merry almost Christmas. Happy almost New Year.
Why don't we take our friends down Candy Cane Lane?
Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's the cutest thing I swear you'll ever see. It's the best, so get dressed. I'll impress you with the lights in all their windows. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's so magical, let's go there in your dreams. It's the best, so get dressed. I'll impress you with the colors of the rainbow. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. You know that Christmas is waiting for you. Let's go to Candy Cane Cane. Ring a friend this holiday. Ring a friend who loves to sing. We'll leave all the days. Candy Cane Cane. Ring a friend this holiday. Ring a friend who loves to sing. We'll leave all the candy canes. Can we'll love can on Candy Cane Lane.
You know what, Philip? You're pretty good.
Because of you, we were able to bring Christmas cheer to the beautiful people of Sawmill Creek Resort.
So does that mean I am like a real mistletoe now?
Well, to be a true mistletoe, you'll need a holly jolly name first.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please introduce the newest member of the Sawmill Mistletowns, Peggy Nog. From all of us here at the Sawmill Creek Resort, we are so thankful that you decided to spend your evening with us here tonight.
We hope your holiday season is filled with laughter,
Friends.
family,
And joy.
Happy holidays.
bum 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 bum. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but let's all give a cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kissing once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Bum, 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 bum. Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but let's all give a cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kissing once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
And that concludes the special musical presentation from the Sawmill Mistletowns. Be sure to enjoy the rest of your season of joy here at Sawmill Creek. And from our family to yours, happy holidays.